Welcome back to PharmaHealth Insights with Rajesh. This is episode 3 of our 21 CFR Explained series. If you've been following along, we've covered the basics of 21 CFR and explored the general provisions in episodes 1 and 2. Today, we are diving into one of the most critical sections of 21 CFR for the pharmaceutical industry, Part 211, which covers current good manufacturing practices, cGMP, for finished pharmaceuticals. This is the gold standard for ensuring that the medicines we use every day are safe, effective, and high quality. cGMP, or Current Good Manufacturing Practices, are the FDA's minimum requirements for manufacturing processes. These guidelines ensure that finished pharmaceutical products meet quality standards for identity, strength, purity, and potency. Part 211 provides a framework for manufacturers to establish consistent, high-quality processes while reducing risks like contamination, mix-ups, and errors. Let's explore the key components of Part 211. Subpart B, Organization and Personnel. This section focuses on ensuring that manufacturing personnel are properly trained and qualified. It emphasizes roles, responsibilities, and hygiene requirements to minimize contamination risks. Subpart C, Buildings and Facilities. Manufacturers must design facilities that prevent cross-contamination and allow for smooth cleaning and maintenance. Subpart D, Equipment. All equipment must be routinely cleaned, maintained, and calibrated to ensure consistent performance. Subpart A, Control of components and drug product containers. This part governs the handling of raw materials and packaging components, ensuring they meet specifications. Subpart F, Production and Process Controls. This section ensures that all manufacturing processes are validated and performed consistently, with clear written instructions for every step. Subpart J, Records and Reports. Accurate record keeping is critical. This section mandates detailed documentation for batch production, deviations, and quality control to ensure traceability. Why are these rules so important? Because even a small mistake in the production process could compromise the safety of patients. cGMP ensures every step of manufacturing is carefully controlled and documented to prevent such errors. Let's take an example. Imagine a pharmaceutical company manufacturing a batch of tablets. Under Subpart F, they need to validate the mixing process to ensure uniformity in every tablet. If one step isn't followed or documented, it could result in uneven dosages, leading to serious health risks or FDA action. And that's your overview of cGMP for pharmaceuticals in Part 211 of 21 CFR. This section is vital for anyone involved in drug manufacturing, ensuring the highest standards of quality and safety. In the next episode, we'll dive into Part 600, which focuses on regulations for biologics, a rapidly growing area in the healthcare industry. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to PharmaHealth Insights with Rajesh. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay informed, stay inspired, and keep learning.